What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Mad at Disney by SALEM ILESE on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial that I upload here on YouTube, I will include a skip to section right here where you can skip to the chords or the strumming for this song if you don't want to sit through an entire 10-minute video. I totally get it, but if you do and you watch the entire thing, I would love you forever. Also, what I do want to note is I uploaded the full play along for this song, which basically means me strumming and singing the entire song with the lyrics and chords on screen. That is already uploaded on my channel. I'll link it in the top of the comments and in the description. Definitely go check that video out after you watch this one and you learn the chords and the strumming. So with all that said and done, let's go ahead and learn the chords that we need for this song. So this song has 6 chords, and those chords are A, C, D minor, E minor, F, and G. So those are all the chords you need for this song. If you're like, Ricky, I know those chords, let's move on to the strumming pattern. Again, the skip to section will be your best friend. Just skip to whatever the timestamp says on screen for that section. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago, please help me. I don't know where to put my fingers for each chord on the uke. Please help me. Don't worry. This is why this video exists. We're going to go step by step on where to put our fingers on the uke for each chord, and then we'll talk about strumming. So if you want to learn the chords and where to put your fingers on the uke for each chord, then just keep on watching. Alright, so let's learn these chords that we need for this song. As always, I will have a visual representation right next to me, just because I feel like it's a lot easier when you can visually see where you need to put your fingers on the uke, and then also have me talk you through it. It's just like a double whammy. So the first chord that we need is the A chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger, and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the 1st string, which again, that's the bottom string, 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the D minor chord, and I'm going to show you 2 different ways you can play this one. So the first way is how I play it, because I have a little bit of thicky fingers. We've already talked about this before, but the first way is my way, which is going to take your pointer finger, and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. And then how I like to play it is I like to take my middle finger, and I place my middle finger over the top 2 strings, which is the 4th and 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. So now let's talk about the more traditional way that you can play it. So you're going to keep your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And then you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And it should sound exactly the same, like this. The next chord that we need is the E minor chord, and how I always say it looks like a staircase going down. So let's learn this one. So let's take your pointer finger, and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger, and you're going to place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Then you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. Perfect. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. And last but not least is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're gonna take your ring finger and you're gonna place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. So those are all the chords that you need for this song. If you do need a little bit extra time, make sure to press pause, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then once you get the chords and they sound crisp and clear, press play, and now let's talk about how we're going to play the song with the different types of strumming and finger picking that we can play for this song coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's talk about how we play the song. So I'm going to teach you 3 different ways that you can play this song. The first way is for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I don't even want to strum. I don't even want to think about moving my hand that much when I'm changing chords, because that's honestly what I'm just learning right now. So let's talk about the first way, which is going to be just a down strum. So whenever you see a chord change, just strum down. So then it's like, sound just as awesome. Again, the entire chord sheet will be in the description below, where you can copy and paste it and keep it for yourself. That is my gift to you, and it's just super easy because it has the lyrics and the chord right above the lyrics, so it tells you when to switch chords. So that is the first way. Just strum down and it'll just sound just as awesome. Alright, so the second way you can play this song is with a strumming pattern, and that strumming pattern is going to be a down, down, up, up, down, up. So let's do that one more time in 3, 2, 1. Down, down, up, up, down, up. So again, it's just going to be that strumming pattern. You're going to do it once for every chord. So it'd be like, I'm mad at Disney, Disney. They tricked me, had me wishing on a shooting star. So literally, you're just going to do that strumming pattern once for every chord, and it will sound just as awesome. So the third way you can play this song is with a finger pick, and that's actually how I played it in the full play along. Again, that will be linked in the description below. But the finger pick they're going to do is going to be the 4th string, then the 3rd, and then the bottom 2, the 2nd and 1st string at the same time. So it's going to go 4, 3, bottom 2. So the finger pick pattern is going to be done twice for every chord. So I'll just give you a little bit snippet of what it should sound like. So it's like, I'm mad at Disney, Disney, they tricked me, had me wishing on a shooting star. So again, that finger pick pattern is going to be twice for every chord, and it's just going to be 4, 3, bottom 2. Alright, so we learned the chords and the 3 different ways you can play this song. Congratulations, you now know how to play Mad at Disney by SALEM ILESE on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. And I want to give a huge shout out to you watching, because thank you so much for clicking on this video, hanging out with me, and learning this awesome song. I heard the song first on TikTok and I was like, I gotta do this. So let me know what you think about this song. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the description below. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is this beautiful uke that you are playing? This is the concert size Hola ukulele. It's absolutely amazing. The color is what kind of first drew me to this uke, and the design around the sound hole, and it's just really cool looking. This is actually one of the ukes that I actually reviewed on my Amazon under $75 review video that is up. You can check that out. I'll link it up here as well. But this uke is actually $70. It's a concert size uke, $70 on Amazon. So I'll make sure to leave that link in the description below. If you want to be uke twins, definitely get this. If you're looking for an affordable concert size uke that is actually really good quality and the sound is amazing, if you have watched any of my review videos previously, you know that I like to change the strings pretty much, I wouldn't say immediately, but like pretty close to after buying. But these chords I kept from the original uke, so these chords I've actually not swapped out. I usually put the Dario strings on here, but I mean, I was super pleasantly surprised with this uke, and the whole $70 aspect was like, yes, I need to get this, and I actually kept this. So if you want to get this, again, the link will be in the description below. Definitely go get this. I think they come out with They came out with like purple, and there's a black, and then there's a brown, and it also includes a gig bag, a strap, and some picks if you want to play picks with the uke. But again, highly recommend this uke. Very good quality for $70. You can't beat it. If you want to get more behind the scenes stuff from my day-to-day life and from filming videos, make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's just at Ricky Somborn. We've reached over 56,000 Instagram family members. Thank you so much. If you haven't followed me, make sure to follow me. Send me a DM letting me know what video you came from, and what else. Let me know a little bit about yourself, what kind of content you want to see on this channel. If you have song recommendations or just anything, let me know. I'm always open to chat. But thank you so much for following me, and supporting this channel is the utmost thing that I can't even I love y'all. I love you. I love you. If I could hug you right now, I totally would. But thank you so much for supporting this channel. Also, last thing, but super exciting thing, is merch. If you've probably noticed that I've been wearing my merch like pretty much in every video, but we officially have merch. It's the official Uke Fam merch. It's the logo for this YouTube channel. So if you want to get that, link will be in the description below. Definitely go get something. If you do, tweet me, DM me, comment letting me know that you got a piece. I would love to see you in it, and I would love to share those pictures, whatever, anything that you send me with everybody else. So if you do get some merch, let me know. Again, everything will be linked in the description below. The most important things all linked below. So thank you so much for watching. I really, truly, truly appreciate you hanging out with me for these 10-15 minutes. It makes my day, it makes my night, it makes my whole month. Thank you so much for all that you have done. We've grown this channel pretty quickly over the over the past few months. You're getting me choked up. No, but seriously, thank you so much for all that you have done, supporting me, watching these videos, commenting down below, liking this video really, really means a lot, and you've definitely changed my life. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. We're part of the Uke Fam, the greatest Uke Fam in the nation. So thank you so much. I'll see ya in my next video. Bye.